Hey, hi all. So I am back on another question today of Java, and basically it's again most important question asked in multiple companies, and basically the question is of missing number. Basically, you will be given an array, and in that array there will be a missing number in series of that numbers. Some missing number will be there, and you need to find out that number basically. And the problem statement say that given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n. Listen this carefully. I will be like explaining the logic related to this only, that you will be given the numbers between 0 to n range. Okay, and you need to return only the number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay, so this is example 1, nums equals to 3 comma 0 1, and the missing number in between this is 2. That 2 is being missing here. So basically it is getting started, always getting started 0, and it will be going to n. So basically we can say that we need to find the sum of n plus 1 numbers, because we are here we are taking the 0 also. So sometimes suppose in this case example 2 is there, 0 1 is there, so the missing number is in between this, there is no number, but after that one more number will be there, because we are always be finding the number between 0 to n. So the sum will be always n plus 1. So here the missing number is 2 in the series. So that's why the similar logic I will be taking the here only also, that suppose 0 it is there, 1 is there, 2 3, the missing number is 4 5 6 7 8 is the missing number, because it is there in the between. But sometimes you can get the numbers between after the end range also. So that's why it is always said that the numbers and distinct numbers will be there, there will be no duplicate. First thing it is saying the question, it is a LeetCode question. I've copied this whole thing from the LeetCode. You can go through it there and just run the test cases also. So what is the solution I will provide it, that will be applicable for all the test cases. So basically the numbers are being given from 0 to n. So the sum will you will be finding from 0 n plus 1, because it is getting started from 0. We are counting 0 also in this range. So that's why the sum will always be find it from the n plus 1. So basically what will we do, you have heard in maths that when we find the sum on suppose it is the series, it is started here and it will be go till there n times. Okay, and now you are including the 0 also. So the sum for this one will be n plus 1. Okay, and the formula you are aware about, if I modify the total formula, this you have heard or used in maths also. So this is the formula which we'll be using today for solving this. And this what it will do, it is very beneficial formula, that you will be getting the overall sum, like with the missing number also it will be adding, and you will be getting the expected sum. And then after that what we will be doing, we will be finding the actual sum from this series what we have given, and we will be doing expected sum minus actual sum of these numbers. So you will get the missing number 8 here suppose. So this is the logic I will be applying here, and trust me, like this is a simple formula. Apart from this, like using loop, and there is some other method also that you can go with the hash set. You can check if the hash set contains it or not, but instead of avoiding that, we can go through this formula, that there will be always 0 to n, and the sum you will be finding which will be n plus 1, because we are counting to 0 also here. And the expected sum, so formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so let's get started. I have taken, suppose this nums arrays I have taken, and as usual what I will do, I will declare one static. And before that, like if you haven't like and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will be motivation for me for making these videos. Yeah, let's get started. So the method will be missing number, and inside that we are passing the array. Okay, and what we will be doing, n equals to nums dot length we will be taking. Okay, so this you will get the length of the array, and now we will apply the formula. Like basically what is the formula for that, integer expected sum we will declare, and we will be calling n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, This is the formula we are applying it, and n is the numbers array's length. Okay, and then we will be finding the actual sum, integer, sorry, nums, and one more we need to take it. We need to take integer actual sum equals to 0. Okay, so this will be finding the sum of the array what we have given as of now, actual sum plus num. Okay, now simple what we will be doing, we will be subtracting expected sum minus actual sum. Okay, this is the method, you have done it. Now what we need to do, we just need to do the sysout. Okay, and call this missing number method here and pass the nums array here and just run it. So here 2 we are getting it. So 0 1 is there, then after 2 is the was the missing number 2 3 4. So total length like earlier it was 4, but now after this total length will be 5. So basically what we were doing, we are doing simple logic is there, there is no hard logic is there, you can easily understand it, that we have passed the array of static method. As earlier also we were creating the static method, and we need to return the integer type of missing number, then we are calculating the length of the array, then what we are doing, we are calculating the expected sum. So expected sum formula what I am doing, n into n plus 1 by 2 basically we are doing it, and then we are declaring one actual sum equals to 0, and then we are finding this actual sum means the array total sum what we have given, till that sum we are finding. Like how we are finding, so for 0 plus 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 1 8. So actual sum you will be getting as 8, and in expected sum what you will be getting, the length is total 4. So 4 into 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 4 20, 20 and then by 2 10. So expected sum will be 10, and actual sum you are getting as 8. So 10 minus 8 you are getting as 2. And the overall time complexity for this just this logic we have taken one loop. So O of n is the time complexity, which is a good time complexity in the linear time complexity, and space complexity is also O of 1. So yeah, nothing else we have written it, just simple missing number method we are calling it, and inside that just the main formula you need to remember, the maths formula what we are doing, that we the range is 0 to n, so always the sum will be till n plus 1. So that's why we are taking it expected sum if we are getting it n into n plus 1 by 2. This how you will be getting the missing number sum also. Suppose if it was given as 0 1, there is a test case you can see in that. So what will be the output, then also it will be coming as 2. Now there is no number, you guys will say that there is no number missing here, but the 2 is the missing number because it will be counting as 0 to n, and so the total sum will be n plus 1. So that's why one more number will always be there missing, if suppose in this series if no number is being missing. So that's why we are finding the sum, expected sum as n into n plus 1 by 2, and then simple expected sum will always be greater, as it will be the sum of missing number plus the sum of numbers of array. So that's why we are return expected sum minus actual sum, and this how you will be getting the missing number. So that's it from my side. Let me know if you have any feedback, any suggestions or any queries regarding this question. Please ping me in the comments, I will get back to you on that in my next video. So that's it, and please like and subscribe my channel. I will be coming with my next video as soon as possible. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.